$1,300. Okay guys, this was done. Oh my god. So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, my dear friends, I would like to show you how to make millions on this market, and if you wanna know how to do this, let's watch this video together. Okay guys, for today I will use my favorite three indicators, MACD, CCI and counter channel. So what do we have? As always, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute, and I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade so that I can save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. That's the first point that I would like to say to you today. Secondly, now I'm going to find the best entry point for the first trade. Let's check out the CAD currency pair that we have now and give me some time. As you see, our primary deposit for today is $680. That's quite enough. As you see, we have reached the upper edge of the counter channel. Now I'm expecting the pullback. That's why I have opened sell position here. According to the CCI indicator, we also can observe that the asset is overbought right now and highly likely we will drop right now. So now let's just wait a little bit until we get our money from this trade. Okay guys, so this trade was profitable once again. Let's continue. Now let's find the next currency pair that we are going to trade right now. Let's check Euro USD, or it's better to check USD BRL. So no, Euro USD. Okay, so as you can see, we are now moving in the flat zone. However, price is still above the middle line of the counter channel, and for us that's a signal for the long position. That's why we are trying to open buy position here. We have invested $1,000 here. We still have around $900 on the account. This is our hedge assets. I mean $900 and $1,000 are invested here. Okay guys, so this was done. Let's check out the CAD. Okay, out the CAD. We have a very strong upgoing movement here, and I'm expecting the continuation of it. That's why we are working accordingly to the current trend, and we have opened two buy positions with an investment of $1,000 each. So we have totally invested $2,000 here. Let's check USD INR. Okay, concerning this trade, what do we have? As you can see, we still can see that middle line was not broken through. While you are watching this video, don't forget to check the description, because in the description to this video you will find amazing, cool and splendid Telegram link for my private TG, in which, my friends, you will get access to daily analytics, daily trading signals and much more. It's absolutely free, and the most important thing is that if you write me a private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, my friends, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions just like this, and each day at the scheduled time you will receive trading signals from me, you will follow them and get real cash each day, and this is absolutely free. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be a millionaire together with me. Okay my friends, so let's do the final trade for today. We're trading Euro USD. We're still in the flat movement. MACD indicator is giving us a short signal. That's why let's try this position. We have opened 7 sell positions here with an investment of $1,000 each, so total successfully. We have invested 7,000 bucks. As I told you, this is the last trade for today, and I want to get maximum from it. And yep, just look at this big red candle which is dropping right now. Yes, baby, I love this shit. This is for me. This is for me. Show me your sexy ass. I want to lick it, so I want to lick your asshole. I want to fuck it after this and show me it. Show me this. I want to see this. Give me my money, bitch. Yep, that's what I'm lying. That's what I'm lying. Yep. Fall, I told you. Fall. Fall right now. Fall. Drop. Yep. This is baby. You know what I love? This is right now. This is for me. This is for Daddy. Okay. Don't grow, just drop. Okay, guys, whoa, just look at this shit. What do we have? Oh my god, oh shit, we have 15,000 bucks. 15,000 bucks. We started with just only $680 and we turned them into 15,000 bucks. So guys, if you wanna trade like a pro, if you wanna be millionaire like me, you can do this easily. All you need is just open description to this video right now, subscribe to my private TG, and be together with me millionaire. Everything is for free. Don't waste your time. Do this right now. God bless you all, my friends. Have the best day ever, and bye bye.